Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar index, I'm still thinking that this is likely the end of an ABC correction. And if it is likely the end of an ABC correction, then this will go down and it will take out the previous lows, especially with the fact that the daily, weekly, monthly time frames are definitely still in a downtrend. Now, when I go down to the 1 hour time frame, I kind of think there could be a possibility that it might pop up before it actually goes down because we got nice one impulsive up down, then we have impulsive up, still looks like a wave A. This still looks like it's all part of a wave B, and it still looks like it could go up and make a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend, like a wave 1, like a wave 2, and like a wave 3. I would be a little bit cautious about trying to trade this wave C because a lot of times wave Cs are not really reliable entries because, you might go long like right there, and then it just goes up a little bit because the trend is down, and then it just keeps on going down. So I personally would be recommending shorts in a downtrend. Whether you want to try to trade the wave C of wave B is your choice before it actually does continue the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.